This is a very unique conference because every attendee is very well educated. The value of the questions that get asked is a broad perspective. There's council members, there's regulators, there's legislators, there's politicians, there's operators, there's affiliates, there's developers, there's engineers, there's gamers. And very few conferences bring all that together in an intimate way to exchange ideas and try to create a more sustainable industry.
We perceive that esports wagering is going to be the future as you have a younger demographic sort of aging into like the gambling age of majority over the age of 21. They have different entertainment expectations than prior generations did. So we see this, I mean, when you look at how esports themselves are growing in tournaments, I mean, it's percentage and year over year, it's like almost exponential. So we see that spilling over into the traditional gambling space.
Any type of conference like this is extremely valuable, but something like the CEC specifically gives you those intimate moments where you can watch panels and talk to some of the other people that are here, but then they take you off campus, they take you off site, you get to go see things like the Illuminarium, really develop those bonds with the people that you're meeting here and take these further.